Soybeans are actually quite demanding, not just in terms of macro and micronutrient availability, but also in the timing and methods of their application. A key condition for achieving high soybean yields is ensuring adequate levels of micronutrients, such as boron, molybdenum, cobalt, and others. These elements are part of the enzymatic systems that support the symbiotic relationship between rhizobia and the soybean plant, meaning they directly enhance the plant's ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen. The first step should always be a high-quality agrochemical soil analysis. This allows for optimized fertilizer application and brings you one step closer to reaching your target yield. The next step before soybean cultivation is seed treatment, the foundation for a strong crop. By treating seeds with Vanderleaf Micro, you support uniform emergence, active root development, and greater resistance to early season stress. 3 or more true leaves stage. At this growth stage, special attention should be paid to root development and activating photosynthesis. The plant requires a high supply of phosphorus, molybdenum, potassium, and amino acids, all of which contribute to energy accumulation and rooting. Products such as Vanderleaf monophosphorus 30, Vanderleaf monomolybdenum 30, and Vanderleaf amino 43 are ideally suited for this period. Branching stage. When the plant begins active branching, its demand for nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and amino acids increases significantly. This is the ideal time to apply Vanderleaf Yellow, Vanderleaf Micro, and once again Vanderleaf Amino 43, essential for biomass growth and resilience. Stem elongation stage. During this phase, the plant rapidly produces new leaves and green moss. It is especially in need of micronutrients that support cell expansion, metabolism, and the transition to flowering. If these elements are lacking, growth slows down and yield potential suffers. To avoid this, apply Vanderleaf monomanganese 11, which provides manganese to enhance photosynthesis and reduce chlorosis, along with Vanderleaf Micro, a comprehensive blend of micronutrients that meets the plant's secondary nutritional demands. Budding stage. At this micro stage, the formation of floral organs is completed, and the upper internodes continue elongating. Complex fertilizer with a focus on nitrogen, zinc, and particularly boron are recommended. Vanderleaf Red helps stimulate growth energy. Vanderleaf Micro supplies essential micronutrients, including zinc, and Vanderleaf Monoboron 11 provides an effective dose of boron, crucial for this reproductive phase. However, for this feeding stage to work effectively, it is essential to begin with a soil analysis. This ensures that nutrients are applied accurately according to your yield goals and farm conditions. Additionally, fertilization plans should be adapted to local factors such as region, soil type, and crop rotation. That's why it's best to discuss fertilizer recommendation directly with our agronomist or regional manager to find the optimal solution for your field. Vander, effective nutrition for high yields.